Welcome to our next cooking vlog. Today we're going to make banana fritters by Mama Noi from MARION'S kitchen. First, we're going to add the baking powder to the flour. Whoosh! Whee! Give it a mix. Tap it on the bowl so the flour doesn't go everywhere. And then we're going to add some soda water. Whoosh! Wow, look at that. Let's just give that a mix. These ingredients are all cold, like Mama Noi said, so that when they go into the hot pan, it is all crispy. Next, let's add the beaten egg. We can't see it under the soda. Egg, where have you gone? Ah! Give that a mix until it's smooth. Look at this, just what we want. Not too runny, not too thick. And now let's set it aside and get on with our bananas. Yummy. And corn flour. And we're going to dip the bananas in the corn flour, roll them around. I just love the texture of corn flour.
Why is that?
Oh, because it's all smooth. It feels like patted snow. Yes.
Oh, after you went down on the sledge?
Yes.
Is that the feeling?
Like I'm going down on a sledge. It's Mummy's turn. I've done my part. Hand over to Mummy. Well, Mummy.
Batter's ready.
Yes, you need to dip the bananas into the batter and then take them out.
Yes.
Soon.
Okay.
And then, but first, before you put them in the oil, you need to check if the oil's ready.
Okay, let's check. Is that ready?
Yes, there are
That's
bubbles.
ready. So, we are going to fry. The coated bananas going in. So another coating.
It looks yummy already.
Are you ready? Let's do another one.
Yes.
This is our snack while Mamon is having her class.
Yes.
No? Should it be deep fried?
Yes.
We'll leave
it should
it that
be
way
deep fried.
because we're running out of oil again.
Yes. I'm going to give this a try.
That's right.
Oh, Mummy, I think I splattered some on our surface.
Over there. Oh, we can
Yes.
just give it a wipe, can't we?
Right. Mummy's going to start turning.
Me? I'm going to turn.
Yes.
I'm going to start dancing.
What
That's
did Mama
golden
Noi
brown.
say? When it's ready, what did she say? Mama Noi said that when it's golden brown, it's ready.
Which one is next?
Ooh, anyone?
This one.
Yes, I think so.
I
Woo!
don't have a pair of tongs, that's why. I'm
Yes,
using
chopsticks. We're going to sprinkle some delicious icing sugar on top so it has a little decoration. There we are. Shall we give it a try? Oh, come on then, let's give it a try, Mummy.
crunch.
Oh, look at that.
Mamon is trying this with ube ice cream for some tropical touch.
Yes, let's try the banana fritter on its own first, though.
Crunchy? Hear the crunch?
Now I'm going to try the ube ice cream with the banana fritter. Let's hope it's delicious. While Mummy is eating the banana fritter, we're going to say goodbye, and if you liked it, please put a comment down below and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!